Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure the Echo Dot is powered and near your router. This prevents network issues during reset. Once done, open the Alexa app and note the device name so you can reconfigure it later. Make sure you identify the correct reset control. Many models use the action button, while older units have a tiny pinhole. Now, prepare to press and hold the right control. This initiates the factory reset sequence and clears stored settings and accounts. You'll perform the actual reset now. Press and hold the action button for 25 seconds on most recent Echo Dots. If you have an older unit, insert a paperclip into the reset hole and hold until the light ring changes. This difference exists because hardware revisions altered the control layout. While holding, watch the light ring. Once it flashes or goes orange, the reset is in progress. Make sure to keep holding the control until you see that indicator change to confirm the device. You finish by reconnecting the Echo Dot in the Alexa app. Choose your Wi-Fi, sign in, and reapply preferences. If the device doesn't enter setup mode, power cycle it, unplug for 10 seconds, plug back in, then repeat the reset steps. This often clears transient faults. If it still won't respond, swap the power cable or adapter, because low or unstable power can block resets. Finally, contact support only after these checks, so you've ruled out the common, fixable causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.